today's episode of MotoCheez.
Maybe you can hire the M team.
The following movie is rated I.
Paint and stripe time, boys. All taped up. I'm no painter. I'm no auto body guy. Wish me luck. Of course it's windy. I'm doing it anyway. Good thing it's flat paint. I pitied a fool. Well, that's it, boys. It didn't come out too bad. Still have to tint the windows, of course. Then it'll look better. That's right. I know. It's been a while since I've done any mini truck or microvan videos. Oops. But I did finally paint that red stripe. I love it when a plan comes together. And the Atari been starting flawlessly. Every time. Something went on with my head unit here. And I lost all my apps. Like reset itself. The cat caught a mouse. And you lost it. In the garage, of course. Could have been a mole. So yeah, the Atari's been running good. Head into the Milford and pick up some limo tint now. Get her done. He liked it. Uh-oh. Well, that's definitely not good. Oh, behind a Ferrari. You know, back when I bought my Vet, my C6 Vet, I was looking at these Ferraris. The prices on them were really, really good at that time. Could have picked one up for like $30,000. I decided to go with my C6 Vet, but man, the prices shot up on those over the years. Now you can't touch them for $80,000, $90,000. Probably best I didn't get one because I really don't have a good spot to store it. That's totally sealed and conditioned. Damn mice got in my vet and everything. Can't have anything nice because of the mice. There he is.
Bet you we could pick this thing up if we wanted to.
Yeah, it's like 1,800 pounds.
How fast does this thing go?
This one will do 80.
80?
Yeah, it's got the intercooled turbo, and I got the boost up to like a little over 12 pounds.
Wow.
I just put the stripe on it. I gotta pick up some limo tint.
Mini 18 truck.
Did you hear it when I turned it on? I don't know if you could hear it from the outside. Yeah, I went camping a few times with it.
Enough room to see? Well, I guess
Yeah, when I pull that seat up, or both of them, and flip the thing forward, and that turns into a bed.
it's kind of cute, actually.
It's actually bigger inside than what you think. Yeah, I got a little stove in there. I got a heater that
We got storage.
it's not in there now. Well, yeah, it had the seats in the back, but I took them out and I put that little piece of plywood.
Just about 6 feet, huh?
With the seats forward, it's like 6 feet, a little more. That's 7 feet, and it just about makes it all the way, and then the head tips up a little bit. Yeah, that flips up.
Look at that shit. We got batteries in there and everything. Inverter set up on it.
You gotta hit that other hinge. RV battery isolator.
That's cool. Which one do you prefer?
I kind of like the truck better. When I bought this, I thought it had high-low range because it has the lever here.
Yeah.
It's all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, and then you can turn four-wheel drive on and off.
No low range?
No low range.
Oh,
so
sucks.
it sucks when you go off-road.
It's probably not geared low enough, huh?
It's geared pretty low, but it's not, I mean, I do a little bit of off-road, but when it starts getting, no, nothing like the truck.
ATV tires.
The DOT ATV tires.
Really?
Yeah. It does pretty good, but it's not my truck. The truck is much more, you know, it's got the plastic skirting all around it, so, I mean, if I hit something,
yeah,
it'll rip it right off. I got my little fishing pole under there. I got a little tent that goes off the back of it. Not closed in. I mean, it's not really a tent. I guess it'd be a canopy. Both back windows are cranked down all the way. It's got air conditioner, but I got a leak in it.
Is that hard to work on the motor?
The motor's a pain in the ass.
the official high-tech redneck.
That's right.
You ever hear that song by George Jones?
Yeah, it's good.
High-tech redneck? Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Since it's a turbo, an intercooled turbo, it's really hard to work on. It's tight. Yeah, especially with the air conditioner.
Wow.
Yeah, I dread working on it. If it had high-low range, which I might end up trying to find if I can convert it, then I think it would be like perfect. And it doesn't have lockers, so you can't go real like extreme off-road like the places I go. A lot of places I go. But this,
How far would you be comfortable traveling with that?
I don't know. People say take it to Florida, but 80 top speed is like top speed, so you could cruise about
drive, like,
70.
My place with it, right?
Oh yeah.
How many miles to the gallon you getting in that?
I think the best I got was 32.
32?
But that, I mean, you got crappy tires and everything.
Is that diesel or gas?
It's gas, 3-cylinder, 660 cc. This is exact same thing as a truck, but in a van.
Yeah.
And this is like the highest trim van they make, except you can get a top. They have like a power big sunroof thing that opens on the top.
A few moments later.
Always a good meal at Three Brothers. We got to go get some tint now. I wonder how many younger kids know what the A-Team is, even though they did come out with a movie in the 90s. Or was that the 2000s, the newer one? Let's see what they got. I'm running good. Got my window tint.
The next day.
Going to get the microvan tinted. Had a big tree come down last night. Well, yesterday. Oh, the deer. That's the baby fawn we have around here. Right there, look at the size of that thing.
Flashback.
Well, that's a real big one. Whoopsie.
Because it's wet, I thought I was going to make it. I wasn't going to make it, honest to God.
Well, you're lucky. Go. You better go play the lottery.
Honest to God. 4 seconds, maybe?
Man, that's a big one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
End of flashback.
That was a big tree. Gotta love the boost. We're at the detail shop. Oh, it might be ready for me.
So you're gonna be here, you're gonna be around, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna hang around. I don't have anybody to really pick me up.
Okay.
It's so little, you can fit a bunch of these in here.
A few moments later.
Much better. Much better.
Steve?
Good job.
Thank you.
Seems so much darker Now I gotta put the curtains back, put all my stuff back, after I vacuum, of course. This whole thing wiped itself out and like restored itself. So I had to put the apps back in. So I did 5% in the rear, 20% on the side windows. Let it dry for 2 days and then put my visors back on. Rain guards. Time for a little cleanup. These black carpets, boy. I should put a laminate over that, huh? Like a countertop. Good enough. It still works good. Links in the description. I had to put all my curtain rods back. Yep. All this junk. Got all the curtains back in. Definitely darker. Getting there, Atari. The M-Team van and Mr. M. I pity the fool.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.